Hey everyone, today we're checking out my favorite Home Depot. It has the biggest selection of plants that I have seen in any big box store, Home Depot or Lowe's. So starting off, we have our Pothos section, and they range from $10.98 to $16.98 depending on the size. Coming over here, we have some narrow form adansonii. Ooh, I've never seen these before, and they're only $24.98. Look at the leaves. This is the narrow form adansonii. If there was a regular adansonii, I would be able to show you side by side. But I think you can imagine a regular adansonii, and it's very apparent how much narrower these leaves are. A lot of people like the fenestrations on adansonii to be huge, but personally, I think I kind of like the narrow form better. But this huge thing is only $24.98, you guys. That is ridiculous. It's very heavy. Okay, and then down here we also have a giant lipstick plant. It doesn't seem like it's in the best condition from being like shoved around, but it's only $19.98, and I'm sure it could be easily revived. Look at these huge leaves. And there are more pothos. There's some ivies here. These are $16.98. And these really big spider plants. How much are these? These are really big. $16.98. Moving on, above us are some string of dolphins. They're $12.98, and there's a whole bunch of them here. I love how huge this selection is. There's always a bunch of multiples of a plant that you would want, so you can choose the best one, which one calls to you. Ooh, zigzag cactuses, rickracks, fishbones, $12.98. That is such a good price. I remember when these were like more expensive, when they were more uncommon. I'm so happy to see prices going down. That is so exciting. Look how many there are in one pot. That is amazing. Wow, I'm so happy. Now's the time to be buying rickracks. And then below there's some more spider plants. These ones look a little bit unhealthy, but they're $7.98. And we also have Syngoniums. I think these are called butterfly Syngoniums, but they're $7.98. There's a bunch of them. Here are marble queen pothos. This is my favorite kind of variegation. They're over here. Look how pretty this is. These are $10.98. I love these so much. And down here, there's some variegated creeping figs, also for $10.98. And in the center, kind of hidden, are some probably restocks of plants that are out further. Oh, but here are some Scindapsus Argyraeus, and these are $16.98 each. Seems like, oh no, there's more of them up here. So like I said, there's a bunch to choose from usually. Wow, that looks so pretty. I love the like the dusty gray color. So pretty. Look at that leaf. We love to see it. And then, of course, we have some Thanksgiving cacti. This one is about to bloom heavy. And it's $9.98. There's plenty more where this came from. Here there are a bunch more for $9.88. But coming on over here, there's a bunch of different kinds of bromeliads. These are $19.98 each. It says they're called tropical Aglaonema, but I think they're talking about these babies. They're very colorful and very beautiful. Look at this one. That is so pretty. I think bromeliads are so pretty, but they're just not like for me. Coming over here, there's a bunch of snake plants. These are $26.98. I think that is such a good price for how huge these are. If you guys could see the size, how big they are. Hopefully you can tell. There's Fiddle Leaf Figs for $26.98. And this is $26.98 for a Monstera deliciosa. I'm very tempted to buy this as a gift for someone. But I don't know, like people that I know don't really have that much room to be keeping a huge Monstera deliciosa inside their house, including me, so I don't think that would be a good idea, but I think that's a really good price as well. Let's look at it. So hopefully you can see the whole thing. And on this side, there is a Tineke rubber tree for $26.98. It's pretty tall, but it's missing a bunch of lower leaves, although I don't mind that at all. And yeah, it's branched out. It's very pretty. If I was in the market for one of these, I would probably get this one or one of the other options that are here. Coming over here, we have a Raphidophora on this moss pole. Let's see. This is $29.98. That is also an incredible price. I remember when Raphs were also super rare, so it's very exciting to see them so affordable. And I think this is one of the prettier ones. This is not that ugly kind. Well, it could be from this leaf showing up. But I think this is a good Raph. I would buy this if I also wanted a Raph. Wow, there's so many good plants today. Some more snake plants. Look at this. This is $20. The other one is $4 more and it's much larger. That is a really good price. And we got some ruby rubber trees here even. Oh my gosh. These are $19.98. Some more Tinekes. These are $19.98 as well. I think this is a better size of a deliciosa to get. This one is $19.98. Again, this one is only $4 cheaper than that big one, or maybe $6. I don't remember exactly the price, but that's like so little for the age of the plant and the maturity of the plant. But of course, if you want a smaller plant, then definitely get the smaller one because you're not saving if you weren't gonna spend that money anyways. Am I right? Look at this one. This one has so many baby plants inside. Wow. And we got some Dracaenas for $3.98. Some Dieffenbachias, probably $4.98. I think they're Camilles. And then a bunch of Pileas. I think aluminum plants. You can see why they're called aluminum plants by their coloring. And they are $4.98 each. And over here, we got a bunch of little peperomias. These are absolutely so freaking adorable. This is the Frost, and this one's $4.98. There is I think this is a silver Rosso, also for $4.98, and then there's just a regular Rosso there. Some Rana Verdes. These are so cute. Bird's nest fern. Some different kinds of orbifolias. Some Ginnies. The selection is just endless pretty much. Well, no, not endless, but you know what I mean. And there's a bunch of pink Syngoniums here. Rusty colored Syngoniums. These are all $3.98 each. And then here, this is looking funky. Oh, there's a Philodendron Atom. I've never seen one of these in a big box store. This is $4.98, and honestly, I haven't even seen them much in garden centers, so that's cool. Down below, there are some mini watermelon peperomias. These are $4.98. So cute. We got some different colorings of Aglaonemas and a Colocasia. I forgot what it's called, but I think these are so pretty. But I'm just not a fan of Colocasias in general. Otherwise, I would buy it. But this is $19.98. So pretty. I kind of want it. But it looks like it's thirsty. We've got a bunch of Nanouks here. These are, let me see the price. These are $9.98. Oh, and behind me, there's a sad looking string of turtles. My camera ran out of space, so unfortunately we're on my phone now. But we were on this watermelon, no, not watermelon, string of turtles for $9.98. And also here, there are a bunch of gorgeous orchids. I am such an orchid fan. I'm currently forcing myself to not go to an orchid shop. That's why I'm here at Home Depot instead, because I know that if I go to an orchid shop, I'm spending big bucks. So I was like, okay, let's just go to Home Depot instead of spending a bunch of money at an orchid shop. Honestly though, that made it worse, and now I want to go even more than ever. But also we got some polka dots plants. There's some begonias over there. And over here we have some gorgeous African violets. I love African violets so much. And there's even some little variegated ones. So there's this one with purple flowers. This one here has variegated edges and it has pink flowers. I love that, and it's like the double bloom kind. Kind of want this. Ooh, look at this one. This one even has variegated flowers, kind of. With the variegated edges on those as well. This one is like completely variegated and it has purple double blooms. I think I have this one. Wow, these are so pretty. I really want to buy an African violet. I especially like these colors. Oh my gosh, look at this. I'm really into flowers right now. Help me. These are $3.98 each. These could also be a great gift because they're such easy to care for plants. Over here, there's some ZZs for $39.98, big ones. They've got a bunch of Birkins for $14.98. Well, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the tour. I'm gonna have the location of this Home Depot down below so that if you want to come visit it and you're in the area, you can definitely do that. They always have a great selection of plants. I've never been disappointed. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye! So I got the Colocasia. I couldn't resist in the end. And then I also got this African violet. I was standing there for so long looking at this, looking at the African violets, and I really wanted one. So yeah.